Hey guys, I got myself an Autel advanced Bluetooth diagnostic scan tool for my plug-in electric vehicles and cars. So this is pretty awesome because one of my EVs had an issue with one of the modules, and this was actually able to reset everything. At the same time, it was able to pull up the error codes that normally couldn't be seen. So this is really neat. Another thing is that I was able to clear specific codes that permitted me to actually drive the car back to the dealership and get warranty repair. So this is pretty awesome. It was very selective in terms of what code I could remove and clear, so that way I could keep the codes for the dealership to review so it doesn't get erased and they don't have to reproduce it. Another fun item is that it does TSBs. So it has a full library of TSBs, which is really nice, really convenient, and it makes it easier to talk with the dealership after finding enough evidence for it. So it really helps in terms of helping them diagnose it, as well as getting warranty repair. There are also EV-specific tools on this device as well. So this has been very, very useful in terms of even regular cars for emissions and basic scans, custom scans, full scans. It took only about 2 minutes to run. So it's pretty awesome and efficient. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.